Make sure to join us on September 12th, 2025.
That's today, by the way.
At 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, when we go live on Facebook to showcase the fabric included in the 2025 Fall Mystery Kit. A link to the live stream is down in the description. Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of September 12th, 2025. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
And this is a series where we go through the Friday newsletter and show you that fabric in person. So without further ado, let us get started.
First off, we're gonna start this with an item that we have on sale for y'all. This is the Sparkler White 10-inch stacker from Riley Blake. This is the Sparkler White 10-inch stacker that is sparkled with metallic stars on it. It is regularly priced at $48.96, but we have it on sale for $27.98. So make sure to light up your stash with these Sparkler 10-inch squares.
All right, next we have a group that we know is very, very popular, and this is Nantucket Summer from Moda. This collection's featuring fat quarter bundles, glam bags, zipper pouch kits, the sale kits, as well as the assorted yardage. Pre-orders nearly cleared us out with this collection, and Moda has also sold out. If there's something you love, now's the time to add it to your cart because we will not be able to restock it. We have patterns of florals, vines, plaids, dots, checks, and stripes in colors of blue, green, and cream. So make sure to set sail with Nantucket Summer from Moda.
Next collection we're going to talk about is one from Studio E. This is Snowy Days and Frosty Nights. We do want to note that this cozy collection and its kits are nearly sold out during pre-order. We're restocking them now with more yardage and kits arriving in about 2 weeks, but make sure when it is back in stock, you get to it because again, they are selling like hotcakes. But this is featuring the Stargazers quilt kit, 36-inch panels, and the full collection of yardage in patterns of scallop border, snowy village, snowman accessories, woolen forest, patchwork blankets, snowflakes, snowmen, snow, words, and woolen textures in colors of green, blue, gray, cream, and black. So make sure to keep yourself warm with Snowy Days and Frosty Nights from Studio E.
We got another Tim Holtz palette group. We know you all love them. This is the Palette Seasonal from Free Spirit Collection. This is a Halloween and Christmas matchup. It's actually really cool because you have half of it is Halloween and the other half is Christmas. We've got 2.5-inch strips, the basket case kits, as well as the social climber quilt kits, and the full collection of yardage. We've got patterns of collages, remnants, holly, spider webs, plaids, moss, stripes, and tapestry in colors of red, green, orange, black, and cream. Make sure to haunt your stash while decking the halls using Palette Seasonal.
Next collection we're going to talk about is a small one, but a very cool and unique one. This is a flannel collection from Three Wishes. This is the Little Foot Farm. This is featuring a fat quarter bundle as well as the full collection of yardage in patterns of barn animals, florals, plaids, barns, and apples in colors of green, red, pink, and white. So make sure to move on over to our website to scoop up Little Foot Farm flannels from Three Wishes.
A collection we do not want you guys to miss is Glow Garden from Ruby Star Society. We've got 36-inch panels as well as the full collection of yardage in patterns of florals, vines, mushrooms, moths, pixel squares, and webs in colors of pink, blue, yellow, purple, blue, cream, and black. Very vivid, so make sure to add a touch of magic using Glow Garden from RSS.
Next collection we're going to talk about is a very, very unique collection that a lot of people have been loving. This is from Three Wishes as well. This is the Legendary Loner collection. This is featuring 36-inch panels, 24-inch panels, as well as assorted yardage. The patterns for this collection are, of course, Bigfoot, forest, mountains, footprints, and phrases. The colors for this collection are green, orange, blue, brown, black, and white. This is a fresh find. It's hard to spot, but we do want to let y'all know, just like Nantucket Summer from Moda, the pre-orders nearly cleared us out, so we don't have much left, as well as Three Wishes is cleared out. So make sure to catch this Legendary Loner collection before it vanishes.
We wanted to share this hot pre-order, and it is the Glow and Behold Fall 2025 Mystery Project Kit. These kits are scheduled to ship on September 15th. and they are $49.96 each. More info is going to be over at our Facebook group, the For Fabric Sewing Room. The link will be down in the description. Make sure to join us today, September 12th, 2025 at 1 p.m. Central Time. Once again, that is today at 1 p.m. Central Time. Join us for a live stream. We're going to be showcasing the fabric inside this mystery kit live on Facebook. Once again, a link will be down in the description for that. Unless you're watching this after September 12th, 2025 at 1 p.m., then it's probably already over. But if you're in time, make sure to go check that out. And also make sure to join us for the 2025 Fall Mystery Project Kit.
All right, next thing we're going to talk about is something that we mention every single week, but we continue to mention it because they're so important and they're such great deals, and y'all continue to get them. These are our 1 yard cuts. These are priced at $9.96 a piece, which is dollars and dollars off of what they normally cost. We are adding new prints to them all the time, so if you go and check them out on our website, you're going to see something different pretty much every single day that you can go get. Again, these are 1 yard cuts, so they are individually 1 yard cut pieces. They are not, if you buy multiple, they're not going to be a 2 yard piece altogether or a 3 yard piece altogether, because they are 1 yard cuts. So make sure to buzz on over to our website and see if you can get you some 1 yard cuts.
Last but certainly not least, we have the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week to read on this week, and this week we actually have 3 comments, so we're going to read all of them, quickly respond. First, we have Sewing Willa Wayne 2.0, who says, I know y'all all do this video, but would love to see a review of some of the quilts the crew of FWFS have done. And you know, that's a really interesting idea. However, I will say the people who typically do this video, we don't really have a whole lot of quilts that we've done besides the Race to the Jelly Roll video. That's the one that for sure I could say that I've done.
The one I've done.
Yeah, that's the only ones we've done. However, some of the other FWFS crew members who definitely are more quilters, I'm sure they might be interested in this idea. We'll run it by them, see what they think. Next, we have Margaret Parsons, who says, love your weekly videos. I have enjoyed receiving a 1 yard cut in a previous order. Thank you so much, Margaret, for always watching, and we really appreciate it, and we really hope you enjoy your 1 yard cut that you received in your order. And last but not least, we have Barbara H2281, who says, another good video. I did order 2 of the Lori Holtz stackers, great deal, and a few rims today. Thanks as always. Have a good weekend. And same with you, Barbara. Thank you so much for always watching. Thank you for leaving comments. Thank you for keeping up with us. We really hope you enjoyed your 2 Lori Holtz stackers as well as the rim knits. I know those are always great deals. And Barbara, we hope you have a good weekend too. And for everyone out there who's watching, make sure to leave a comment and you might be picked for comment of the week. Who knows?
And as always, we just want to end this off with saying thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or any of the other ones, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Make sure to leave a comment so you might be featured on next week's comment of the week, like Justin said. And also follow us on all of our social medias. The links for those are down in the description. So with all that being said, we will see y'all next week for another new episode.